Today, we are going hands-on with the brand new Apple Smart Battery Case for the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Welcome everyone. It is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and this is Apple's updated Smart Battery Case. Not only did they redesign it for this year's new crop of iPhones, but they've added some really nice enhancements, specifically a dedicated camera button. And we're going to talk about that in just a few minutes. Let's otherwise go over the basics of Apple's Smart Battery Case. As we mentioned at the intro, the new case works for all of Apple's latest iPhones. That includes the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and what we're looking at here, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Inside the box, you'll find the case itself, as well as a little pamphlet and getting started guide. The cases come in 3 different colors: white, black, and if you go for the iPhone 11 Pro or iPhone 11 Pro Max case, it also comes in pink sand. It uses the same material as Apple's silicone cases. There are openings on the bottom for microphones in the grill. There's a lightning port for charging, and it connects to your iPhone, of course, over lightning. And the back supports wireless charging. It's really easy to slide in your phone by tilting the top forward and sliding your phone right into place. Instantly, you'll see both your iPhone's battery life and the battery life of the battery pack. You can always check the phone or the battery pack's battery percentage within Notification Center and the battery widget. As we mentioned, the newest feature here to check out is that dedicated camera button. We've seen this in some other battery cases like the one from Moment for the iPhone 10 and iPhone XS, and we loved it. And the same thing applies here. Press that button at any time, even if your phone is off, and it'll instantly turn on and launch the camera app. Don't worry, you can't access the rest of your phone until you've authenticated with Face ID, but it is the quickest way to get into that camera app. Don't have to pause on that lock screen, nothing. It is blazing fast and it'll save you precious moments when you're trying to capture those precious memories. Otherwise, you have contrasting buttons along the edges that are slightly darker or lighter depending on the case that you've chosen. Inside is a microfiber lining, and we mentioned this does connect over Lightning. Because this is Apple and not a third-party case, everything that works over Lightning will still work when connected to the Smart Battery Case. That includes Lightning headphones or CarPlay. Those are big problems with other Lightning-compatible cases. You can charge easily over Lightning and go even faster using a Lightning USB-C cable and USB-C PD, or go wireless. Use any compatible Qi wireless charger, set your phone on top in the same position as you would without the battery case, and it'll charge right up. Apple says you can expect up to 50% longer battery life on the new phones with the new Smart Battery Case, which is pretty impressive considering the new iPhone 11 line has incredibly long battery life. So what do you guys think? We've always liked Apple Smart Battery Cases, even if sometimes they look a little wonky, but for what you get here, it's pretty outstanding, and we love the new camera functionality. Let us know down below in the comments or reach me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.